Alright, so hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kayla, but I go by Kay. Follow my Instagram at SoFuckinChocolate and follow my Snap at KaylaBabe, 2 B's and 3 E's.
Well, this is my first YouTube video ever. I've never done YouTube. So the point of this video is so that I can show y'all how to slay your eyebrows. Okay, so y'all can go out and slay for the gods. Them edges is popping though. Look at these edges. Okay, enough about me. Yes, like, comment, subscribe, share, repost, send it to your friends. So enough of the chit chat and on to the video.
Alright, so first you're going to find a brow pencil that matches your brow shade. Mine is by Jordana and this is in deep brown, and I just use this to outline the bottom of my eyebrow. Next I'm going to go in with my NYX brush 18, the double-ended brush. I'm going to use the angle side to go ahead and blend everything that I just applied with the liner. So as I get closer to the tip of my eyebrow, I use a heavier hand just so that the tip is a little more darker than the inner part of my brow. And as I work my way towards the middle, I use a lighter hand just to give it more of a faded, natural look. I don't like thick or boxy eyebrows, so this just gives my eyebrows more of a softer finish. The next product that I'm going to use is a baked eyeshadow by Jordana, and this is in color Espresso. I just use this on the inner part of my brows just to soften my eyebrows. Alright, so this next step is not necessary for everyone. I just have problem areas in the beginning of my eyebrows, so I go ahead and fill it in with a pencil. Alright, so once I have filled in both brows, I use the bristled end of the brush, and then I just blend everything out. Make sure everything's blended super good. You don't want to have that thick, dark line in the front of your brows. Alright, so next you're going to go in with a flat-topped brush. I definitely need a new one. And I'm also going to use the Eyebrow concealer. I'm going to apply some to the brush and then use it right underneath my brows. So applying the Eyebrow concealer just gives my eyebrows a cleaner, smoother, more defined finish. So to blend everything out, I use the exact same brush that I use for my concealer, and I bring everything down towards my lid. And then doing the top of your eyebrow is optional. I do mine, and then I just use foundation just to cover everything up and blend everything out. So my beauty blender already has foundation on it from me applying my foundation, so I just use that to blend everything out.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you watching. Anything else you want to see, put it below.